Hi, this is Monica of Knitted Wishes. In this video, I'm going to show you how to work the double lifted increase through the back loop. Now we're going to complete this increase in 3 steps. First, we're going to pick up the right leg of the stitch below the next stitch on the left hand needle. We're going to knit that stitch. Then we're going to knit through the back of this stitch, the first stitch on the left hand needle. And then we're going to pick up the left leg and we're going to knit through the back of that stitch. So using your right hand needle, pick up the right leg of the stitch that's below the first stitch on your left hand needle from back to front, place it on the left hand needle and knit it. Now slip it off the left hand needle. Now knit through the back of that following stitch, slip it off the left hand needle. And now go into that stitch that we worked in the first step, but we're going under the left leg, so from back to front. And now we're going to knit through the back of that stitch. And here is the increase. Now let's try this one more time. Thank you for watching.